Namaste. My name is Sharath, yoga consultant and yoga coach with Twin Health. We are going to be understanding what diabetes is understood from the yogic context. Diabetes is a condition known as psychosomatic disorders. In the yogic context, we call this as Adija Vyadhi. Adi means the mind, Vyadhi means the diseases or disorders. Psychosomatic disorders, once again reflecting on that, psycho means mind, somatic means body. The disorders that occur in the body because of the improper functioning or overloaded mind. This is commonly known as stress. Most of us experience stress, but if I ask you, what is stress? We don't have a definition for it. Well, stress is the uncontrolled speed of the mind at a demanding situation. If this demanding situation starts getting more and more, our mind starts to overload itself. And because it cannot deliver to that demanding situation, it starts to worry and damage itself. The mind is contained but cannot express itself. Thereby, the mind starts to manifest itself in the body, starting with a simple headache or indigestion, constipation, body pain, so on and so forth. When this stress goes unattended for a long duration, it also percolates into the vital functions of our body, creating conditions like hypertension, blood pressure, diabetes, gastritis, so on and so forth. So by managing the stress levels in our body, we have some level of controlling the disorders or the diseases which occur because of that. Diabetes is not something like a coronavirus. It is not something that comes from outside and affects us internally. It is something that is self-inflicted and self-generated within the body. What is the prime cause of diabetes? It is the damaged metabolism. Why does the metabolism become damaged? Because of the excessive stress that our body and mind is going through. And in this context, there are various yoga practices that are defined and specifically done to treat diabetes mellitus. Now, in the next few videos, we are going to be learning and practicing various yoga practices such as loosening exercises, asana practices, Surya Namaskara, Pranayama, and many more. Before you start your practice, please ensure that you find a good spot for your practice with good ventilation. Make sure that you're using a yoga mat for your practice. The practice is best done during the early hours of the day, during sunrise, or during the late hours of the day, during sunset. Please ensure that you are empty stomach before your practice. When I mean empty stomach, make sure that you at least haven't eaten anything for 2 hours before your practice so that you can do it comfortably and experience it to the fullest. Thank you. Namaste.